Hi guys, this is Shalom, and we miss you. I'm sure you miss us too. This is another lesson on connectedness. This lesson is about the importance of connectedness and why we even need to talk about it. I'm going to be reading you the book One Day on Our Blue Planet in the Rainforest by Ella Bailey, and this is a great book. As the morning sun rises over the rainforests of South America, a young black spider monkey and his mother look out across the treetops. Relaxing nearby are the rest of his family, who all live together in a group called a troop. They use barks and screeches to talk to each other. It can be very noisy. The little monkey clings tightly to his mother's back. Using her strong tail like an extra arm, she swings through the tangled branches, reaching for the most delicious fruits to eat. So, talking about connectedness, the little monkey is obviously very connected to his mom. And why is that important? What is that helping him with? And you could be thinking about, maybe talking about with your family, why does it matter? The rainforest is home to many other creatures, from tiny marmosets and tamarins to the strangest and most beautiful birds. Just like our world, there's all kinds of people, all kinds of beautiful things. But where has this monkey's mother gone? He cannot see her anywhere in the crowded canopy. He searches through the dense lower levels of the rainforest and emerges above a winding river. So I'd be asking myself right now, how is he feeling? How does it feel when you're not connected? He doesn't have that mom there. And why is that important? Why is that a bad thing? His troop come often down to drink, but his mother is nowhere to be found. He never ventures this far down on his own. The plants and creatures here have adapted to the low light, so he's feeling unfamiliar. And not all of them are friendly. Here she is. Luckily, there are very few things that can catch a spider monkey in the trees. Darkness draws in, and the nighttime animals begin to emerge from their hidden nests and secret burrows. The monkey's mother carries him to the safety of their troop's favorite sleeping tree. All together, as the forest buzzes with the sounds of insects, the little monkey sleeps in his mother's arms. Until a new sun rises on another day on our blue planet. And here's some more animals from the rainforest. So the craft to go with this book is talking about the importance of connectedness and why we need to feel connected to each other, how that helps us in our world. And I think a lot of you can come up with different answers to share with your family. The craft is going to be actually making a body part and then writing some of those ideas on it. So you can choose just to do a hand, or you can take multiple pieces of paper and tape them together and do your whole body. It might take quite a few pieces of paper, but you can go as big as you want. So I'm just going to show the hand one right here. You're going to have one person put their hand down, and then someone will trace around it. Feels kind of good. It tickles. I recommend a pencil, but you can do a marker or crayon. And then you're going to take scissors and cut out the hand, and then you can decorate it. You can use markers, you can use crayons. If you have paint, you could use paint at home to decorate it with all the ideas that you have about the importance of connectedness. Like the little monkey, when he didn't have his mother, what was the problems that he would have? And when he did have his mother, what were the wonderful things that he had? And the rest of the troop, think about the monkeys in the rainforest, how they help each other, how they live together. and the other animals in the rainforest, how they help each other and live together. So this is just a hand, but again, you can tape lots of paper and make a big body. On my hand, I chose, when I'm sad and I talk with a friend, I feel better. That helps me feel connected, and that is the importance of it. It makes me feel better. When I need help, I ask others, and then I can learn. Sometimes I'm frustrated, and asking others makes me feel better. Frustration is no fun. Working together, we can help each other over that. When I help someone and I see them happy, it makes me happy. So that's another thing too, is that empathy, that feeling of what others, and then you can decorate however you want. So I hope you and your family have a good time talking about the importance of connectedness and doing your craft together.